Are you aware of dry needling technique that we physiotherapists used to reduce your muscular pain? Hi, my name is Dr. Priyanka Kumari, physiotherapist at Alleviate Pain Management. Well, dry needling is a therapeutic technique which involves insertion of filiform needles into the trigger point, which is a hyper-irritable spot in muscles, to reduce your pain, to increase mobility and restore muscle function. When this needle hits the trigger point, it causes local twitch response and target deep muscle and reduce the tension and promotes natural healing process by increasing the blood flow to that area and providing oxygens and nutrients to damaged tissue, which stimulates the nerve fibers and triggers the brain to release endorphins, which is a body's natural pain reliever. Its benefits includes it decreases the pain, whether it's chronic pain or acute pain. It improves the range of motion. It decreases the stiffness and tightness, and also extensively used in sports injury. So, if you are suffering any such chronic pain, please do visit your nearest Alleviate Pain Management Center and let us help you. Thank you.